When you think of IKEA, what comes to mind? Affordable, stylish, flat-pack furniture, right? But how did they turn budget-friendly products into a global design trend? First, it's all about democratic design, believing everyone deserves well-designed furniture, not just the wealthy. Their Scandinavian aesthetic offers modern style at accessible prices. Next, the flat-pack innovation allows for lower shipping costs and creates a sense of accomplishment as customers assemble their own furniture, fostering a deeper connection. Then there's the in-store experience. IKEA stores are immersive journeys, filled with beautifully designed showrooms that inspire you to imagine your dream home. Sustainability is also a core value. IKEA is committed to becoming a circular and climate-positive company by 2030, promoting renewable materials and eco-friendly practices. Finally, IKEA's emotional storytelling connects with customers on a personal level, showcasing real-life scenarios that make their products feel relatable. IKEA has truly mastered turning affordability into an aspirational brand, making it synonymous with stylish living. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed exploring the world of branding with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Zen of Brands community. Let's uncover more brand stories and strategies together. See you in the next video.